Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Edgar. Guys, today I'll be taking you through how to file KRA returns by use of P9 form. So guys, as you can see, I'm just starting my YouTube channel. Got very few subscribers currently, but just a humble request, guys. Support me guys, support me. I'm counting on you guys, so let's subscribe guys. So without any other ados, let's start this guys. So first of all, you need to have the P9 form. So this is the P9 form. So you need to have the P9 form, of course have your KRA pin. So go to your browser and then go to the ITax website by typing in itax.kra.go.ke and then press enter. This will take you directly to the KRA website. Then put your pin here and then press continue. Put your password. Do these simple maths and press login or log to the account. We want to do file returns by use of P9 form. So go to returns, go to file returns. As you can see, the type is already on self. The taxpayer pin is already put there for you because you have already logged in to the account, so it will definitely be there. So the only thing you're supposed to select is the tax obligation, and that should be income tax resident individual. And then you press next. Sorry about this guys, but I've already filed my returns, so that's why you see this return for the period of this date to this month 2020, and it can be filled after this date. So it's only that I've already filed my returns myself, so I'll just take you through. So as you can see here down, first of all, you see type of return here, it is original here. Click OK. This will change to amended because I've already filed my return. So just put that to your note that I've already filed my returns, so that's why this will change to amended. So let's do this. So you're going to press OK. As you can see, just turn to amended. So I can't change it to original because I've already filed my return, but the procedure is just the same. So I'll just take you through how to file the returns with the P9 form. As you can see here, you want to use the Excel. Excel is the common one. So you click here to download. Then start downloading. Then click open. So this is a form. So you have to enable macros. That is a must. You have to enable it. So one thing you should know is that you can't copy paste on this form. You have to fill, like put it manually. Okay. So now we start filling in. So first we put the personal identification number. That is your PIN. That is your PIN. So you put it there. Okay. Then you go to type of return. So you select here. For as I told you guys, mine had already filed my return, so for mine is amended, but because I told you that I'd show you the same procedure of doing it afresh, so we click original. Yeah, then you go to period. This should be, as I told you guys, should start to see date, month and year. So it should start from 01/01/ because for last year 2019. Then the return period 2 should be, so we go to the next one. So this one should be the last date of that year, that is 31/12/2019. Correct. Then this one should be no. Do you have any income? This normally all the answers to this is no. Something I need to remind you guys: after you fill in the form to the last point whereby you have the tax computation here, this one will come on this part. You see now I can't fill anything. My bank account, I can't fill anything. But when we finish, this will come on and you will be prompted to do this, to work on this. So you'll feed in the bank, the branch, the city, the account name, and whatever. But for now we have to like jump it for now because you can't feed anything on it. So we go to the next. So you press next. You can press next, or you can even come here and press to the next, whatever method you want, but you can press next here. Go to the next. So pin of the employer. So we put in the pin of the employer. Start with a P of pin. The name of the employer, you have to put it in. Okay, so after that you put the gross pay. So come to your form. The gross pay is here. This is the basic salary, which is here. This is the gross pay, which is also here, 411,000. So you come and put it here. Okay, so when you come here, allowances and net value, housing, all those as per the form, they are not there. As you can see, the benefit is 0, the value of quota is 0. So for these, all of them we put at 0, that. So this will be 0, this will be 0. So you can always move to the horizontal by use of these arrows. So that will be 0. So we go to pension if in excess of 300,000. So we come to the form. Pension is their retirement, so it is around 12,000, so it's not even near 300,000. So you come and put a 0 also. Then press enter, and this will be your total employment income. Then you go to next, or you can press here. So you can click next or press. So again, we put the pin of the employer. Now this time, because I've already put it, you just click here and it is just down here. You pick it there. Then the employer, of course. Okay, taxable salary. So you come to the form. Taxable salary is the chargeable pay. That is the chargeable pay. So we come here, we pick this. This is 398.40. 98.40. Okay. Then you go to the second one, is tax payable on taxable salary. So you come to the form. Tax payable on the taxable. So that is the tax charged. That is the tax charged. So this is the value, which is 66,572. 66,572. Let's confirm. 572, correct. Amount of charge deducted. This is pay as you earn, payee. So we come to the form, we take that value, which is here, pay as you earn. So this is the value, which is 52,628. 52,668, if I'm not wrong. Let's confirm. So I'm wrong. No, 628. Sorry. 628. Yeah. So press enter. So this, the amount of tax payable or refundable, this should be, if we check on the form, this value, which is 13, is here. It's the personal, is here, should be here for the relief. The relief value should be, this total should be the total you get after feed in that, and exactly it is. So you are correct. So then we move to the next column by pressing next, or you can even click it here. So for this one, you're filling nothing here. So you go to the last part of tax computation. So the first one is here, which is the pension contribution. So for the pension contribution, you come to the form. This is the pension contribution. The actual, it is here, which is 12,900, and it is also here retirement, which is here. So it is 12,960. 12,960. press enter. Then you come to the other part is here, which is personal relief. This is the personal relief, which is 13,944. 13,944. Voila! When you get a negative, is a good. It means that you owe, KRA owes you. That is, they are supposed to pay you this amount of money. But if you get a positive, it means that you have to pay KRA the amount of money. So for this is good for us, but normally should be 0.9, 0.2, 0 point something. Should not be a big margin. Yeah? So click validate. When you click validate, it will bring some errors, because as I told you before we started, there's on the bank side, you see now it will tell you that you have to fill the bank name, bank whatever, as I told you guys. So you come to that page, which is it will give you which section. It is part 2, section A. It is section A, part 2, section A, part 2. So it is in the first, you see this is A, so it is part of section A. So click here. So the bank, you have to select your bank name. Equity Bank is there. Input your branch, Embu, city is Embu. When you go to account name, account holder name, so you put your name, and then the account number, okay. Go to tax computation again and click validate. It takes a process, guys, to validate, so give it time. So it gives you these sheets are ready to be uploaded. Do you want to generate an upload file? So you click yes. Then it will tell you where it is saving. It's very important to observe this, because this is where the document will be. So click OK. Then you're good. So you can close this folder. You can close this Excel. You are done with it. Close this. So as you can see, guys, for me this is amended, but for you guys it will be original. This will be original. So then return period, you have to put, you see, for me it will you have to put the first date of the year, which will be January. So that will be January 2019. So we come to 2019. So it is from 1st of January 2019. That, and then here you select 31st of December 2019, and then after that you go to choose file, because you have to upload the file. So you choose file, and then as where we were, so you go to the, it was in the documents, so here it is. These are zip folder. You open it, it comes there, and then you agree. You have to agree on that, agree on the terms and conditions, and then click submit, and then it will go, and then you have already filed your returns using the P9 form. So guys, I'm sorry for filing my returns before doing this video. So please, guys, thank you for watching, and thank you for having me. So that's how simply you are supposed to file your returns in your KRA. So guys, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. So thank you, guys.